ready for this super quick, out of this world weekday dinner that everybody's gonna love. It's a Philly cheesesteak skillet, and the possibilities to serve this are endless. Now let's get started. This recipe is fairly simple. I'm starting off by seasoning my meat with some salt and pepper and garlic powder. A typical Philly cheesesteak is made using ribeye steak, but if you're looking for something on the more cheaper side, use a cut of meat with a lot of nice marbling like this skirt steak or a flat iron. I'm going to be slicing this on the opposite way the lines are going. This will ensure the steak will be nice and tender and easy to chew. And also feel free to use chicken breast for this recipe as well. Put the meat off to the side, and we're going to be cooking our veggies. This is a pound of sliced mushrooms. I'm going to place these onto my hot skillet and make sure that you have no oil in your pan because I'm going to dry fry these just to release all of their moisture. Now, if you guys are new to my channel, I post a ton of quick dinner recipes like this one right here every other day. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and click that notifications bell so you won't miss out on them. Once the mushrooms are all cooked, I'm going to go ahead and add a drizzle of olive oil and the red and green bell peppers, which are going to get sauteed along with some chopped onion. This is what I love about this recipe. I'm only going to be using a pound of meat and adding all of these veggies, which will add a ton of flavor and feed a huge crowd of people. Now fry this to your liking. I'm cooking the peppers up so they're tender, which will only take about 2 to 3 minutes. I'm gonna then place these to the side, and the meat will then get fried up all the way until it's nice and crispy along the edges. It should only take about a few minutes. This is such a quick and easy dinner. Add everything back into the sizzling hot skillet and finish this off with a couple cloves of chopped garlic. Then comes in my favorite part, the cheese. As you all know, a classic Philly is made using provolone cheese. You could either place the slices right on top. I grated the slices and this will evenly melt all over. Dinner is ready. Serve this up in a hoagie roll, top this over a salad, or inside a steaming hot baked potato. If you guys enjoyed this recipe, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.